What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're actually going to start a new series called the free Instagram software series. Okay, so basically I'm just going to show you guys free softwares that you can use for your Instagram, and it doesn't even have to be to grow your Instagram. It could be from, for your Shopify stores, finding Instagram influencers, finding engagement, just the tools that I personally use. That's definitely been helping me a lot for the last couple of years. So before we actually begin, guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And actually, I did start a playlist down below that's actually going to show you how to start your Shopify store from zero experience. So if you want to check that out, it will be in the link down below. So basically, this first software that I'm going to show you guys is called Instagram Marketing Hub. Okay, so basically this software right here is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. And most of these softwares that I'm going to show you guys is going to be free, so you don't have to worry about spending any money. But basically this software shows the engagement of your influencers. Okay, and this is going to be really clutch, especially if you're trying to find those Instagram influencers. So basically this is their website. They have so many resources that you can use. They teach you ways to make money on Instagram, from the earning calculators to check if influencers have fake followers, to compare celebrities versus influencers. You can grow your Instagram account with this hashtag generator, show you how to do sponsored posts, affiliate marketing. There's so many resources on this website that I love, that I commend them for, because it definitely helped me out a lot. So I really think that this is going to help you guys a ton, especially for the engagement. So basically, here's the Instagram influencer calculator, and all you have to do is go to the personal website, and then you can scroll all the way down, and here's all their tools. They even also have YouTube as well. So you can go into the Instagram calculator right here and scroll all the way to right here where you can enter the username. So what we're going to do is actually compare my Instagram account and see how I'm actually doing. So we're going to actually type that in. So basically it's going to pop up all the stats for that specific influencer. So you can see I have 11,000 followers. I have 11,000 likes in total. And also it does tell you the engagement and how many comments that you have. So it's telling me that I should be charging about $135 for every post that maybe somebody wants to do a shout out on my page. I don't really do shout outs on my page, but let's just disregard that for right now. But this is the most important part, the actual engagement of this page. So my page has an engagement rate of 8.62. So if you scroll all the way down, you can actually see the average engagement rate for that specific influencer, if that rate is good. So my rate was about 8.62, and I have more than 10,000 followers. So I fall into this category right here, and it's telling me that I should have at least 4% for my engagement. So I have an 8. So I think my page has really good engagement. And, stats don't lie. You can definitely see that. I have pretty good engagement, right? I have 10 comments on here, 42 comments, 23 comments, 28 comments, 100 comments, 68, 61, 93. So I have really good engagement on my actual page, especially for the amount of followers that I have. So let's actually compare a bigger influencer, say Kim Kardashian. So she has over 123 million followers. That is ridiculous. She's probably charging about $400,000 a post. That's nothing. Okay, so basically what we're here for is how much engagement she actually has. She has about 1.8 for her engagement rate. So that seems pretty low, but let's actually check out her stats right here. So if she has over 100,000 followers, she should be having an engagement rate score of 1.7 or higher. Okay, so she's definitely way above that, but keep in mind that she has so many followers. Okay, so that's way beyond 100,000 followers. So if she has like 1 million at least, this gets lower and lower the more followers that you get. So I think she's doing really well. If you think about it, let's actually look at her comments. Kim Kardashian, right? Because she's doing really good, and this shows that the more followers that you have, the less engagement that you're gonna actually have, right? The engagement rate. So it only makes sense that she definitely has really good engagement, right? So you can see she has 8,000 comments, 7,000, 12,000, So she has really good engagement. So let's actually type in dog as the keyword. So if we scroll down, you can see Snoop Dogg is right here. We're not talking about that kind of dog, but let's actually look at dog lovers right here. Okay, so dog lovers has about 2 million followers. Okay, so 2 million followers. Is actually copy that handle right here. Let's paste it in here and actually see how much engagement this is actually having. So they have about 2 million followers and their engagement rate is 3.92. So like I said, the more followers that you have, the lower it is. So they're definitely on the right track. And let's actually look at the comments. So they have 500 comments. They have 600 comments, 500 comments, 900 comments, 800 comments, 700. So they're doing really good. They have a lot of engagement for this specific influencer. So what you can do is just to do a little bit more proof is to actually go through the comments and see if these influencers are actually real, right? You want to see if these comments are real, guys. You just don't want to see the number of comments, because some of these comments could be fake, right? So let's actually pop up a couple of them. 0 post. Okay, this is a fake comment. This is a dog page, so they're probably real. Dog page, this is probably real, probably real. So they have a couple of real followers, and also you got to see what they actually say. So if I had to judge, I would say this is a really good page. Like I said, they have 2 million followers, so I'd definitely go for it. Like I said, if you have a dog page, or if you have if you're selling dog products, this will probably be a good page for you to advertise your products, right? So let's actually check out this other page right here that they actually have, and copy this. Let's paste it in here. Let's actually see the engagement score of this, because this is actually within our range, which has about over 100,000 followers. So this could be more realistic. So if you have over 100,000 followers, you should have an engagement score of 1.7 or higher. Okay, so they have 1.98. So this is barely making the cut, right? So this page is definitely good. The engagement rate is good. You got to go through the comments, like I said, just to make sure everything is good. Contact the influencer, message them, say how much do you charge for your post. It's very simple. Instagram influencers is really simple and straightforward, especially if you know what you're doing. Another quick tip that you guys can do, and especially finding more influencers, is that you can actually go right here. Okay, not every Instagram account has this, but you can go into this triangle right here and click it, and what it's actually going to do is show you relatable pages to this specific influencer. So if you actually zoom in a little bit, you can see that these are actual dog pages that are related to this specific influencer, right? And just to give you guys a little heads up, as we're scrolling through this, right, you see a lot of people. You see these influencers right here, right? You see these people related to this specific page, and the reason why it's like that is that they built their page towards those kind of people. Okay, if these guys are really a dog page, they would have people that are really interested in dogs, and these are probably people most likely interested in dogs. Okay, because most of the people out here, you can't really grow an Instagram account organically. You have to use softwares, you got to use bots and things like that to target other people, and this Instagram account is probably targeting people that are interested in dogs, and that is why you don't see other related dog pages. But you should see a lot of dog pages, especially for this, if this page is really all about dogs, because you can see that this page actually has dog lovers right here. So we should have more dog pages suggested to us, right? And if we actually go into these Instagram accounts, let's actually see if these guys are actually about dogs, right? Are they about that life? Let's figure out if they're about that life. So this is private. This is private. Okay, here we go. Here's one person that's related to dogs. Let's actually go right here. Okay, she hasn't posted anything about dogs. Here's another page that's about dogs. She's private. So once you go there, let's actually look at another example, because I wanted to really show you guys the power of suggestion. And you can get organic sales just from, personalizing your own Instagram account, right? So you can see that this page is just targeting, okay, so they have a dog page right here: Golden Retrievers, Dogs World, United Proper. Let's see, Wallace Golden, Dog Lovesley. So this is a really, really good page. This is really, really targeted. Just like you've seen the other one, like this one, it's not all about dogs. This one is really, really targeted. So if somebody follows this page will be suggested to that person. Okay, and if you bear with me here, if they follow this page or this page will get suggested, and that's going to get you more followers and suggestions. So it's the same way as YouTube, but this is like Instagram style. You personalize your own page, and if your page is all about dogs, you're going to get a lot of dog things suggested to you. So that's a little bit of quick Mufasa tip that I wanted to tell you guys. Sorry I got sidetracked, but I just love talking about Instagram and just a lot of different things that Instagram has that's improved, and you can really take advantage of it, especially if you know what you're doing. So like I said, if you want to learn more about Instagram, I do have a playlist down below that you guys can check out, and it's gonna definitely help you guys. So back on track, guys. So here's another tool called Micro Influencers versus Celebrities, and this is still under Influencer Marketing Hub. Like I said, you can scroll all the way down and you can access that. So let's actually go to one of these accounts right here and actually open up a new tab. Okay, so this has about 300,000 followers. Let's actually copy that and paste it into here. Okay, so this is going to be our micro influencer, and let's actually compare it to Justin Bieber. So they have about 300,000 followers, so they should have an influencer engagement rate above 1.7, and they're way above 1.7. So which is great, right? They also have the chart right here, so you can refer to that. So this tool just compares the celebrities to the actual influencer itself. So it kind of helps you out just so that if you find somebody that's good, you can compare it to their actual engagement rate. Now the last tool that I want to show you guys is how to spot fake followers and likes, right? A lot of people want to know, is these influencers buying all these fake accounts, right? So you can actually go into the actual Instagram audit so that you can actually access this feature. So let's actually paste an influencer right here and actually check. No, I'm not a robot, guys. Definitely not a robot. Okay, so here we go. So our engagement rate is excellent. The likes comment ratio is great. The estimated audience score is 93% out of 100. So that's great. That's great. So they're not telling us that these guys have fake influencers. Okay, these guys are probably legit. Okay, but like I said, you want to do your own research. These guys have posts that went viral, and the ratio does seem like it does match. Okay, 2,000 to 92,000 likes, 36,000 to 400. So it does kind of evens out. It looks like the ratio is great for this page. So like I said, you can click this triangle, see other dog related pages. And if you guys are enjoying the content so far, make sure you like this video, guys. Like I said, I'm dropping knowledge bombs on you guys every single day. Let's actually check out another page right here. Let's paste it. And this in itself is like one of the best influencer softwares out there, in my opinion. This is what I use all the time, especially if I want to find new Instagram influencers. So this engagement score is great. I want to see an example of a bad influencer. Okay, let's see if we can find a bad influencer. Okay, let's actually copy this one. Let's paste it in here. Let's check another profile. Let's check. These guys are good. So all these dog pages they're just genuine. They're just real, guys. They're about that life. Okay, here we go. So the engagement score is really low. The is very low activity. Number of comments is really low. So here's an example of a bad page, right? This page is called Dog Pics 365. So let's actually check that out, right? So how the heck do you have 45,000 followers, but you only got 145 likes, 76 likes, 153 likes, right? something doesn't add up. You know, you should have at least 1,000 likes, or, you know, at least 500, but not no, you know, 70 likes on a picture. So you can definitely know that this page is fake. But let's actually see other related pages. I really want to see a page that has fake followers. Okay, let's copy this one. This might be the last example. I don't want to make this video too long just because, you know, I got so many things to do today. But here's another one. Here's another poor page. But usually if they bought fake followers, it would actually tell you that this is suspicious of having inauthentic likes or followers. So if you see that you know, pop up, especially if you input that influencer in here, you will know that they have fake followers. And this is a really good tool. It's called the Instagram audit tool. It spots fake followers, and it does give you that credibility to check on that influencer. So here's the 3 tools from Instagram Marketing Hub, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be knowledge bombs. Like I said, this video in itself is, you know, very important for your business. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video. Please check the links down below. Like I said, I did create a playlist that you guys can check out to grow your Shopify store from 0 to whatever, how much you want to make. Okay, so it's going to be a playlist that's, you know, well worth it to watch. So if you want to check it out, link is in the description, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.